this special day, I would like to introduce the smallest difference between quite and quite. Q-U-I-E-T. Q-U-I-T-E. Have you ever thought this? What's the difference between quite and quite? So in this video, I'm going to introduce that one. And of course, if you listen this video completely, then you will be also having a bonus point. Do you know what it is? Yes, then I will say it is. That bonus point is that I would even see the smallest technique. How could you remember quite and quite? So without any further delay, let's enter into our topic. So first, starting with quite. Q-U-I-E-T. This, of course, we all know it. That is, just like the example is, hello students, silence, please be quiet. It means silence or no noise. So this means Q-U-I-E-T. Then Q-U-I-T-E. Here quite, which means referring to a little thing or a lot thing. Just like if you see one example, I'm quite busy this week. It means I'm little busy or lot busy. So this means Q-U-I-T-E. Previously I have taught you this difference, the difference between quite and quite. Now we will be discussing how to remember quite and quite. Q-U-I-E-T, quite, and Q-U-I-T-E, quite. So first, Q-U-I-T-E, quite. Here quite, the last letter is E, and also the meaning, where we have to use this quite, in that sentence, we will be always emphasizing that. We will always emphasize that word in the sentence. Emphasize. It either starts with E or ends with E. It means that here emphasize, it starts or ends with E. And even quite, Q-U-I-T-E, it also ends with E. So it means that quite, Q-U-I-T-E. Here quite, we are emphasizing the sentence. So this is a technique to remember. And if we got this, automatically the next word is Q-U-I-E-T. Here it means silence or even no noise. So this is the difference between quite and quite. I hope you found my information useful.